Founded in 1978, GV Industries Incorporated has evolved from an aerospace toolmaker to a diverse machining company specializing in precision parts and assemblies from prototypes to production runs. We serve various industries including aerospace, laser technologies, defense, semiconductor-related industries, medical devices, and many more. Our large-capacity milling capabilities encompass 3, 4, and 5-axis horizontal and vertical CNC milling, large envelope, and high-speed machining, allowing us to process parts up to 120 inches by 40 inches by 30 inches. We utilize expansive envelope dimensions and handle complex tasks, accommodating large workpieces for diverse projects and ensuring flexibility and optimal efficiency. Our precision 4 and 5-axis vertical and horizontal CNC milling services offer exceptional product quality and repeatability while minimizing material waste. We work with a diverse array of materials such as aluminum, steel, stainless steel, titanium, plastics, and various exotic alloys, and our cutting-edge technologies ensure precision tolerances. Our precision CNC turning service features live tooling capabilities, allowing us to execute multiple machining operations like drilling and end milling in a single setup. We offer advanced turning capabilities, providing the ability to create complex geometries and intricate features with precision. Our extensive array of inspection services include CMM inspection, visual inspection, surface roughness inspection, pressure testing, helium leak testing, and comprehensive first article inspection and reporting, FAI. We provide advanced CAD/CAM services including 2D and 3D CAD design, designed for manufacturing, prototyping, production planning, and optimization. Our wide array of assembly and welding services encompasses mechanical and sub-assembly testing and stringent quality control measures. From structural tubing to machined parts, we are experienced in producing welded assemblies with the ability to test helium leak rate to 5 × 10 to the -5th cc per second. GV Industries Incorporated is an ISO 9001:2015 registered, AS 9100 Rev D certified, and veteran-owned company. To learn more about our machining services, contact us today.